going on, y'all? Good morning, man. Good morning. So I got some good news. I just got a phone call from the welding place. Going to pick up the rim right now. Y'all watched my video. Sure. I remember I only mentioned that it was one crack. I only showed y'all it was one crack. I had my coworker drop the rim off to the fab place yesterday, and apparently it was two cracks. There was a small one and there was a bigger crack, which I didn't see. I didn't even see it big. So there was two cracks, and you know, one crack is $90 to fix. Two, they charge you, it's another $90 for it. But I got a good deal. He charged me $150 for both cracks, which is kind of crazy, man. I remember to never buy cheap rims again. These rims were like $1,200, $1,400 or something like that. And this is the second time it's cracked. The first time one of the rims cracked, there was only one spot. This is the second time another rim has cracked, but it was two spots on this one. So kind of bummed about that, but you know what? It got fixed. Not worried about it. Going to pick it up right now. Driving on this donut, man, sucks for freaking driving on it for like 3 days now. It's terrible. All-wheel drive system turns off, and oh man, I have no grip in the front. The two front tires have no grip whatsoever. You floor it right now, I'm just gonna spin and it's gonna pull to the right. It's been pulling to the right all week, you know, for the last 3 days. So about to go to Fab Weld right now and pick up this rim, man. See y'all when we get there, y'all. Alright, so we here already. It's Fab Weld. They do pretty good work, so this is my second time coming here. Alright, let's go pick this rim up. See how bad it looks. Oh damn, you know what? I don't got my receipt. Shit. Alright, hopefully they don't be giving me too much of a problem. Look at my baby. Oh, she looking ugly. All right, y'all, Fab Weld on Dewey Avenue. They do pretty good work. They fix rims, they fix dented rims. Hello, how you doing? All right, so I got the rim back. Ah, she look, it's super dirty. So this was the one spot that I seen yesterday or the other day when I took it off that it had damage. But there was another really big one right here. So there's two cracks in one spot, and there's another one. And I think these are fake. Oh man. So let's go ahead and get this back in the car, man. I'm pissed. But you know what? It's fixed, so it doesn't matter. Super dirty though. Super dirty. Wow, man, that's crazy. Hopefully another one don't break. There's another one right here. Wow, that is crazy. Pretty smooth though. So Fab Weld again, man, on Dewey. They do pretty good work. So today I'm gonna take it back to the shop to get the tire put on. So listen, I will holla at y'all later, man. I got stuff to do. Actually, I gotta go get a haircut. I got some car reviews to do today, so I'm meeting Jose at the shop later on, and that's pretty much it. So I'll see y'all later when I get the tire put back on, y'all. All right, so I got my guys at 25 Tire Guys putting the rim back onto the tire and back onto the car. So I actually didn't have cash on me. They do cash only, so I'm walking to the bank right now to grab some cash, man, get this taken care of. I'm tired of driving on this donut. Yo, it has been like the worst I've had to drive for 3 days ever. Like, it's not that bad just because it's a donut, but the way the car drives without the all-wheel drive system and stuff, it just doesn't feel right. So I'm gonna go grab this cash real quick, and we'll be back. They'll probably have the tire on by the time I get back. So By the way, it was just a blizzard yesterday. Gotta love New York weather, man. New York upstate weather. Just a blizzard yesterday. Now it's 45 degrees. No snow. Ridiculous. Boom. The car by now it only takes, they quick, it only take a couple seconds, so let's head back to the whip, man. Got a couple other errands to do today as well. Actually hopefully going to Honda today with Jose SI. If you already know, that's my guy. He be in most of my videos with me, so. All right, they got the donut off, got the other tire back on. Look, that quick already. Not even 5 minutes, they already done. So let's go pay. Just like that, man, we all set. Got the rim back on. And literally, that took them, that was it, 5 minutes, and we all done. So I'm gonna do a little walk around, because it is back to looking how she used to look. Oh my God, and then drive. Ooh, miss that feeling. I do. Oh man, with the spare on, I was getting so much wheel spin. I think I didn't realize how bad it was. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. No wheel spin. I never realized how much I missed my all-wheel drive car in 3 days with that spare on. Oh man, I was getting so much wheel spin. It was sliding to the right. I'm gonna have to buy me a backup rim and tire too, because that spare is just terrible. I need a full size. Now, let me go into why I got it fixed instead of just buying a whole new rim, because to get that rim fixed is $90 per crack or dent or dent, whatever they charge, or whatever wrong with the rim. So for the one dent for the last rim was $90. Now that this rim had 2 cracks, it was $150. Now $150, I could have bought a whole new rim and been done with it, you know, instead of paying to get it fixed. But unfortunately, the set of rims that I have, they are discontinued. They don't make them anymore. And the shop that did have them still in stock, he ran out. They're out of stock. The only ones that they make for the Rosso Zen wheels are the all chrome ones, and I'm not about to buy a whole nother rim and have it painted to match, or have all of them painted to match. That's gonna cost me well over $150, because the rim itself is $150. To get them powder coated or painted, you're looking at least $500–600. So that's, you know, that's way too much for me, especially right now. So that's why I went ahead and got it fixed instead of buying a whole new rim, because it'd have been way easier to buy another rim for $150, $140 instead of paying just to get it fixed. So that's why I didn't just buy another rim, because the current ones that I have with the colorway, with the black, with the machine finish, they don't make them anymore. And the ones that they do have, they don't have the same bolt pattern. And the ones that they do have with the same bolt pattern are the all chrome ones. And you know, I'm just not about to buy one chrome rim and have it painted, you know, and then have all the other ones painted again too, just to have them all match. So that's it. That's all I got for y'all today, man. The whip is back to 100%, man. We got the rim back on. It's fixed. Hopefully no other problems happen with the wheels, because that's 2 rims now that's been fixed. So make sure y'all subscribe, man, because I got a couple videos for y'all later on today, and I'm gonna be doing hopefully hopefully my guy Jeff at Honda, Ralph Honda, let us do these Hondas today, the Accord and Civic SI 2018s. And I think the Hondas are 2019, 2018, one of those. But hopefully we do those today. Me and my guy Jose SI, man, he already know who he is. Yeah, he in most of my videos, but I got a little, you know, I'm doing a little something different today too. So if y'all watch my videos, you know, I'm throwing a little curveball in there today too. So that's it. That's all I got for y'all today. Make sure y'all subscribe. Don't forget, man. Stay tuned because I got some stuff coming up, man. I got a mod in the mail yesterday that I want to put together. I wasn't going to do it without getting my rim fixed, so I think I'm going to install it later on today. I'm going to test it out before I do the video so I know how to work it first. But again, one more last time, man, thank y'all for watching these videos, man. I'm out. Make sure y'all subscribe, click the bell so y'all don't miss no videos. We doing pretty good. I'm at 59 subscribers. I am gonna do a giveaway at 100. So if you're watching this, man, just subscribe just for the giveaway. Hey, I don't care. You can subscribe just for the giveaway. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna do a separate video on how to win or enter it. So, but at 100 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway. We at 59. So that's literally 41 more people. 41 more people I'm gonna do a giveaway, y'all. So I don't know how many times I'm gonna do this outro, but that's the last. That's it. That's all I got for y'all today. Peace, man.